video, we're going to show you guys how to turn a normal foam pumpkin into these foam pumpkin ornaments for our Halloween tree. Let's get started.
For this project, we're going to be using a small foam pumpkin, hot knife, razor blade, ballpoint pen, 2 stencil designs, a cardboard backer piece, hot glue gun, and a cutting mat. Alright, starting with step 1, we're going to grab our razor blade and cut out our stencil design. We were able to scale our designs down to fit a small pumpkin since we're creating ornament type pumpkins for a Halloween tree, but if you don't have that option, you may want to purchase a larger pumpkin to fit most standard designs found in craft stores. Step 2, we're going to be using the hot knife. Make sure you give it plenty of time to heat up. We're going to take it and cut right down the center of the pumpkin, creating 2 equal halves. If you're not familiar with a hot knife, it's basically a razor blade that heats up, allowing you to cut through material while melting it at the same time. Step 3, we're going to take our stencil and trace it onto our pumpkin. We recommend taping down your stencil, that way it doesn't shift while you're tracing your outline. Now that we've traced our stencil, we're going to grab the hot knife again and cut out those negative areas. When using the hot knife, keep in mind that the blade is going to be the hottest at the base of the blade, so you want to use that part to easily push through the material. If you're into arts and crafts and want to add a hot knife to your toolkit, you can support our channel by buying one through the link in our description. Step 5 will be creating the backer piece to these pumpkins. So using a piece of cardboard and some hot glue, we'll lay a bead of glue on the back edge of the pumpkin and glue them down. Once our pumpkins are glued down, we'll take the razor blade and trace along the outer edge, removing excess cardboard. We're pretty happy with the way these pumpkins are coming out, but had the afterthought that they'd probably look better if they had a black back inside. So what we're gonna do, since they're already glued down, is just pour a little paint in through the mouth Using a small brush, we'll just brush the back of that black. If you happen to do this project, you probably want to do this before you glue the pumpkins down. Alright, I think that looks better as the black gives it a little more contrast. Last step specific to our personal project is poking a hole in the back so we can use these on a Halloween tree. And there you have it. We take a small foam pumpkin and create 2 jack-o'-lantern ornaments for a Halloween tree. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit that like button and feel free to subscribe for more creative content.